QR codes are an essential tool for every brand as they give a digital dimension to your products and services. Let's learn more together.
QR codes have long found their way into the retail industry. The impact is huge by unlocking a multitude of business potential. It refines conventional practices and makes everything more convenient. Have no idea how to use them? Here are just some of the common implementations. Coupons and discounts. No retail store exists without coupons and discounts. With QR codes, you can easily link your customers to your promotional page. QR codes make everything digital. Customers now only have to scan the image with their smartphone. No printing expenses. No unnecessary demand for manpower. Self-checkout. Give your customers the ability to check out by themselves. Scanning product QR codes adds them to cart. When finished, they are left with only having to pay. No need to line up at the counter and wait for their turn. It decreases the need for manpower and makes everything faster. Increase web traffic. Bring customers to your website effortlessly. No need for them to type in a long URL link. With convenience, they are bound to visit your website. Leaving feedback or review. Want to build up your credibility? You are going to need positive feedback and reviews. Stop chasing your customers for reviews. Make it easy for them to leave one by scanning the code with their smartphone. Let them create and submit feedback before they leave the store. QR codes are making a huge presence in the retail industry. There are different ways they can be approached. From refining conventional tasks to opening new possibilities. QR codes are definitely not something you are going to want to miss out on. Final tip. To save time and money, remember to use dynamic QR codes. Even when your QR codes are already printed, you can still edit your QR code anytime. You can also track the data behind your QR codes, such as time of scan, device type, and location. How to create a dynamic QR code. Step 1. Go to www.qrcode-tiger.com. Enter your data on the fields. Select the type of QR code you want to create. Choose Dynamic QR Code, and then click on Generate QR Code. Step 2. Customize your QR code. Choose Patterns. Choose Eyes. Add logo. Set colors. Choose a frame. Click on the green download button. And you're done. You will be redirected to the track data page. Once done, make sure to use the SVG format for print quality. Now go share your QR code to the world. Cheers!
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned a lot. Don't forget to subscribe so we can learn more together how to apply QR codes successfully.